Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So just having a look at Solana here, and as we can see, looking like it, it's been cooling off over the past few days, just like the wider crypto space, hasn't it? Obviously Solana having this massive capitulation event after losing this range low that it was chopping itself up in for a good while. Here you can see here just highs and lows, and then obviously with FTX going under and all the nonsense that happened with that, we have seen Solana have a huge capitulation event here where it has come down and kind of coiled up and formed a little bit of a smaller range. If you look at the hourly time frame here, you can see exactly what's happened. We take a look obviously inside the previous range, we come down, test support, roll over, get a massive capitulation here. We come back up for one last little hurrah to the upside, and then it's just a massive capitulation to the downside here. Huge rollover in the market. We get a decent little bounce over the preceding hours after that, form a bit of a range with the high, the low and the high here in and around this previous level of structure. And then we come back down, we double bottom back test this area here, don't we? Obviously with some very nice bullish divergences looking something like this. You'd probably expect Solana to do something like this where it heads back up to the top of the range, at least as far as we can tell here in terms of the structural content that we're seeing. Obviously the volume and the volatility, especially right now, is very low in comparison to that previous move. I think the market in general just cooling off, waiting for a clear direction for the next move in general. That's pretty much every crypto we've looked at today is looking like that. But as far as we can see, we've just formed another range here for Solana, and as we always say, when we are in a range, we just trade the range basically, don't we? And we'd say, this is the low, the high, we've come back down, we've tested the low. You'd probably expect at least another retest of this high if we were going to roll over again, or if we were going to at least come back up to this level here. You'd probably expect the next target to be retesting that previous resistance up here, support up here as resistance, because we haven't seen Solana really retest anything yet, have we? Obviously we've retested this low here and we found a decent bit of support, maybe some bullish divergences as we said on the hourly, and now looking like we are just chopping it up in and around the middle of the range here. EMAs are very close together, a lot of compression right now in the market, a low amount of volume as well. Probably just expecting maybe a little bit of a trickle either back down to this low or up to this high, and that is what we would probably suggest in terms of price action and price predictions over the next few days as well. I mean, if you zoom in and take a look at what's happening with Solana here, realistically it's not really doing much at all, is it? It's just going chopping backwards and forwards in a very small area. RSI is pretty much flatlined. Still, we've got a nice little bit of bullishness on the MACD actually, so in comparison at least to this huge downfall that we did see here. So we'd probably expect Solana, it's probably going to start to trickle to the upside here, most likely to retest this high, we do think. But if you do see it start to roll down to this, then the target is obviously going to be down here at around that $12.40 level, near the bottom of the range, which was this previous swing low. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.